I was told loneliness was like spaces between the stars. Well, it's empty between these starry eyes. I was told a dead man was heavier than a broken heart. Am I dead now? My heart sure feels heavy, and I try not to feel it. Yeah, I try not to feel it. So hard to believe it. I was told that time tiptoes by. Well, I can hear his footsteps running past me. I was told I had a face with nothing to fear. That's not the first thing to scare me. And I try not to feel